organism, we do want to use digital model to learn and see how they're gonna interact with each other. As you can see, there's one big tree here in the middle. We call it the saber tree. It's located in the Amazon rainforest. This tree is very special, but what is it about? It can store up to 70% of the carbon dioxide, where the normal trees is only 30 to 40% of the carbon dioxide can be absorbed. This saber tree eventually can help our planet to be cooler and safer. So pioneers, the idea of this place, of the Hill Institute, we want to try to do the genetic modification. So let's take an example. We can try to take the DNA from this tree and try to combine it with another tree. Eventually, if it's all successful, we can have more this kind of saber tree that can help us to absorb more carbon dioxide and release more oxygen. Pioneers, all of this information is really important to us as we're trying to restore the damaged ecosystem. That's why in the next room you might find a DNA library where our scientists actively use. We saw over 2,000 specimens that we gathered from around the world. So please feel free to enjoy the view. Whenever you're ready, you can proceed to the DNA